You know that roads aren't supposed to be optional, right? Roads are optional to me. Roads are optional to me. You know those lines on the ground that you know, that kind of stuff is mostly suggestion. As they say, you can be born right side up, inside out, the other way up, right? And you'll be born either way, right? So it doesn't really matter. Driving like it's an emergency. It is. Like, I'm about to pass out. Ah. The way she turns the steering wheel reminds me of her IRL. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you guys. Where am I going? Up the bridge to the left.